Hi again, everyone. In this short video, I wanted to show you how you can use AI not to create your own write about the photo activities, but how you can create some sample answers for this question. I find a lot of test takers struggle with knowing where to start with something like write about the photo. So we're going to look at that in this video. Very quickly, here is some information about this question. So you get an image. It's always a square image. It's always an image that is being taken by a real person. It's not created by AI. You get 1 minute to type a response, and it's the shortest writing question on the Duolingo English test. So let's look at how we can use AI to create a sample answer for this. I've got ChatGPT open here. I'm going to type a very simple prompt here, describe this image using B2 level English. Now, let's say it doesn't have to be B2, of course, but let's say that my students are around B1 and I want them to see or B2 and I want them to see a good example. Then that's why I've chosen that. And I've said 40 to 60 words. Of course, you only have 1 minute to describe the image. Maybe that's too long for some test takers. So I might reduce that to 30 to 50. And you can see ChatGPT's got this icon here where you can attach files. So I'm going to upload an image from my computer. And once that's uploaded, I'm going to click OK, and I'll let ChatGPT describe this image for us. Okay, so let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. We can see the image here, an older gentleman with some fish on a table. And it said, a man is crouching beside a large display of small dried fish neatly arranged on a green net. He appears to be inspecting or organizing the fish with his hand. The setting is an outdoor market with wooden buildings, visible red lanterns visible in the background, along with a few onlookers. All right, so you can see there just in a few seconds, we've been able to create a well-worded sample answer. And of course, that's something that we could use with our students. We could get them to read this, find out what the person writing the description has done well, and then get them to try and mimic that in their own writing. So that's a way that you can use ChatGPT or other generative AIs to create your own sample answers for write about the photo. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it useful, leave us a comment below. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye.